In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert screenshot or screen clipping to an email in Outlook. By the end, you'll be able to place a screenshot directly inside your message, so it's easy for your recipient to see without downloading anything. First, open your web browser and head to your search engine. In the search bar, type Outlook and press Enter. From the results, click the official Outlook site to open your mailbox. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that securely so you land on your inbox. Once you're in, look for the New Mail button and click it. This opens a fresh Compose window. Now click in the message area to place your cursor where you want the screenshot to appear. Setting the cursor is important because Outlook will insert the image right at that spot. If you like a little breathing room, add a blank line above or below before inserting. Next, find the formatting toolbar at the top of the Compose window and click Insert. From the Insert options, choose Pictures. This tells Outlook you want to place an image directly into the body of the email, not as a separate attachment. A file picker will open so you can browse your computer. Locate the screenshot or screen clipping you want to include. Common formats like PNG and JPG work perfectly. Select the file and confirm to insert it. If you just captured a screen clipping a moment ago and saved it, it should be in your recent files or your pictures folder. If you don't see it right away, try sorting by date to bring the newest items to the top. Once the image appears in your message, you can adjust it for a clean, professional look. Click the image to reveal the resize handles, then drag a corner handle to scale it up or down while keeping the right proportions. Avoid dragging from the sides, which can stretch the image. You can also click the alignment controls in the toolbar to center it or keep it left aligned with your text. If your screenshot is very large, consider making it a bit smaller so the email is easy to read on phones, while still keeping important details clear. That's it. You searched for Outlook, opened a new message, clicked into the body, went to Insert, chose Pictures, picked your screenshot, and adjusted it to fit. With these steps, your screenshot is embedded right in your email, ready to send with context and clarity.